Hi, and welcome to the Insight District. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for my channel for more videos in the future to come like this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the switch panel for all the different lights. So what you want to do initially is drop out the fuse panel cover. Once you have that dropped out, what you can do is you can put your hand underneath, grab onto the bottom of the panel and just pull it forward. Pretty straightforward. It comes straight out. What you want to do then is you want to disconnect the electrical connectors off the panel. They just go by pushing in a clip and they'll drop out. Then what you want to do is drop out the second connector and you have the panel free. When you drop it out, because there's an electrical connection to it, it's detecting that the headlights aren't connected, so you'll hear an audible tone. If you want to remove these instrument clusters, what you can do is you can flip over the unit and you'll see that there's plastic clips holding in both units. So for the big one, you can just push these in and you can see they're easy to come out. It's just those little clips on the side. You just push them in and they come out, and it'll give you the blank hole if you want to use your own switches if you don't use that switch. Now to connect it back up, all you do is just put it in place, plug in the electrical connectors, you'll hear them click, then with the plastic clips you just line them back up to where they need to go, and what you want to do is on the side just push it down a little bit and in, and you should be able to push it back in with ease. And that's all there is to reassembling it. So the good thing about swapping out using this button is not many people use it, so you may be able to fit in an aftermarket switch there and just leave the button tucked in behind. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because there's plenty more videos to come. Thank you for watching.